Today's patient is a very healthy and fit 59-year-old athlete who's had 2 children in the past. However, the patient feels that she has a lot of extra skin, especially in the abdominal area, and she wants to get back to the place where she can feel comfortable in a 2-piece bathing suit. So the patient is here today for a tummy tuck. A lot of times when I evaluate a patient for a tummy tuck, I look at multiple components. I look at the amount of skin and fat that they have and also how loose their abdominal muscles may be. Because this patient stayed very fit and active even after having children, she doesn't really need any additional procedures such as liposuction for additional contouring. She just needs excess skin removal and muscle tightening. So she's a perfect candidate for a standalone tummy tuck. With a tummy tuck, I designed the patient's incision as low as possible to stay within her favorite types of clothing and underwear. In order to keep the patient comfortable during her post-op period, I also inject a long-term anesthetic directly into the muscle. This reduces the amount of discomfort and pain meds that the patient will have to take after surgery. And finally, I remove as much extra skin as possible and pull the skin in a direction to accentuate her natural waist. The results after surgery are immediate. The skin is tightened, the belly button is in a better position, and the waist is obviously cinched. Within 1 to 2 weeks, the patients are able to do their daily activities and they're able to go back to the gym and do regular exercises by 4.